Hey Reception 2 artists, it's Miss Kit. Over the last several weeks, we have been exploring the element of art, color. We've looked at the color wheel, learned some vocabulary, mixed paint together to make new colors, and even learned how to make colors lighter or darker. This week, we'll take everything we learned about color to make one piece of artwork.
Miss Kit!
Oh, hi, Mona.
Before we start, should we review the actions and color vocabulary?
That is a great idea. Okay, everyone, follow me. Okay, R2 artists, everyone stand up so we can use our minds and bodies to remember the art vocabulary. I'm going to ask you some questions and you can use your words or your actions to answer. First question. What's the special vocabulary word for the colors red, blue, and yellow? That's right, primary colors. What about the name of the colors orange, violet, and green? Excellent, secondary colors. What's the name of the colors red, violet, or yellow, orange? Great, tertiary colors. What do we call it when we add white to a color to make it lighter? That's right, we call it a tint. What do we call it when we add black to a color to make it darker? Well done, it's called a shade. Okay, artists, I'm going to say the art vocabulary and you try to do the action at home. Here we go. Tint. Great job. Primary colors. Secondary colors. Shade. Tertiary colors. Well done, artists. Okay, let's head back to the art room and start mixing up those colors so we can paint beautiful rainbows. Here we go. Great job, Reception 2 artists. Let's take a look at what you need from your art pack to get started today so you can make all the different colors of the rainbow. Artists, we will be using the same materials as we did last week to make tints and shades. Open to the next available sketchbook, have your paints open, and you can use a paper plate, or again, you can use the other side of your paper to mix. Start by mixing a secondary color. Here I'm making green. I mix yellow and blue together, and then I'm going to paint an arch on my paper. Then I rinse my brush and I can just use yellow or any of the colors. Your job is to mix different secondary colors, paint primary colors, make tints and shades to create your very own rainbow with the colors that you've mixed and chosen yourself. Here I'm using blue, adding some magenta to make purple, and then adding black to make a shade of violet. I'm experimenting with all of the knowledge I've learned over the last few weeks with mixing and colors. So now I'm using that to create different colors and using it to make a work of art. Here I've made the secondary color orange and I'm adding it to my rainbow. Again, you can use just the color out of your pots. They are getting a little mucky because we have been using them over several weeks, but that's okay. That just adds to more opportunities for mixing and creating different colors. Here I'm making another green and adding it to the top. I'm trying to show tints, shades, secondary, primary colors, and tertiary colors. Make sure to close your paints. Done. If you have paint left, you can paint another rainbow trying to make different colors. Now that they are closed and you've washed your brush and things are tidy, allow your rainbow to dry. Once it's dry, use your oil pastels. Now you will add lines to the different arches in your rainbow. Choose colors that can show up against the colors that you've painted. Experiment with different lines and each different color and band of the rainbow. Here I'm doing straight lines, loop-de-loop lines, dash lines, zigzag lines, and adding different colors and lines to make my rainbow unique and special. Well done, artists. You use color as the main element to make your rainbow, but also added lines as well. Great job, artists. Well done, artists. You sure know how to mix it up. You created beautiful rainbows showing us what you learned over the last couple of weeks. Before we go, let's review all of the art vocabulary we learned together with Mr. Ficha, myself, and with Mona. I will show you an action, and at home you say the words. Are you ready, Mona?
I was born ready.
Okay, here we go. First action.
Primary colors.
That's right. Primary colors. Here's the next one. Do you know it?
Secondary colors.
That's right. Secondary colors. Here's another one.
Tertiary colors.
Great job. Tertiary colors. How about this one?
Tint.
Yeah. Tint.
Shade.
Good. Shade. Okay, I'm going to do them faster and mix them up. You say the words at home. First one. Great job. Good. Well done, artists. We learned so much about color over the last few weeks. Don't forget to make art be art, and be sure to bring your sketchbook back with you when you return to campus. And we'll see you then. Bye-bye.